Hi everybody, it's Shane from Chores and Chow. Today we're going to take a look at an easy home project to reroute rainwater coming down through your downspout into your flower bed. As you can see behind me, we've got a lot of damage from a downspout that's actually emitting right into the flower bed. This causes a lot of erosion in the front of the flower bed as the water comes out, in particular with hard rain. And for any type of mulch that you have in the flower bed, it can actually push it out into the lawn, which no one wants. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a drainage system in that actually runs down through the flower bed into the lawn through an emitter. Let's get to it. For this project, we only need a few items: a bag of pea gravel, an expandable large downspout adapter, some solid drainage pipe. Today I'm using about 25 feet, and depending on how far you're going to have the drainage pipe come out from the house, 10 to 12 feet at a minimum is suggested. And also our drainage emitter. Now you can get any of these products at a local home goods store like Home Depot or Lowe's. It's all for under about $50. First thing we're going to need to do is dig a trench about 1.5 feet deep to lay the pipe. Okay, so we finished digging our trench. One thing you want to make sure you do is dig the trench so that it's a slight decline. In this case, we were lucky enough that the land already is going in a slight decline, so we don't have to worry too much about that. Now at the end here, you'll notice where the emitter will come up at, we've dug a slightly larger hole. This is where we're going to put the pea stone. All right, now the reason we put the pea stone down is because you'll notice in the bottom of the emitter there's a drain. This is to allow excess water to escape the piping and therefore not causing damage in the winter with freezing. We use the pea stone to filter dirt and other debris so it doesn't clog up that drain. Okay, now that the hard part's done, we just need to lay our piping. Okay, so what we've done is remove the old downspouting so that we have straight vertical here. We're going to take our drain adapter and just slip it into place. This will easily connect to our drainage pipe. Once you have your adapter attached, you're going to want to push it up to about a 90-degree angle. Fill that in with back dirt to hold it in place. All right, we've already filled our trench in about 3/4 of the way. The final piece is to install the emitter. Now, if your kit doesn't include an adapter, make sure you get one separately. It fits onto the end of the emitter. Will snap onto the end of your piping. So now what we want to do is get it to level ground. Fill in the rest of the hole with more peat stone until it's filled up onto the sides and just over the top of the piping. Okay, so we filled in the top of our hole now with the remainder of our peat stone, as well as about 3 inches of dirt on top. You'll notice that we've got the emitter on the top here just slightly above grade, and we have a nice slope going down. So when the rainwater comes out, it will pop up through the emitter and go spread evenly throughout the lawn. My chores are done. It's time to eat.